So good morning guys, so welcome back to another video. So yesterday finally I took the car to the dyno, and I was surprised, shocked, and then super stoked, happy at the same time, because another K20s from the factory comes with 200 to the flywheel, but like I said before, the car has some goodies on it. So it has intake, short ram, header, custom exhaust, and upgraded clutch. And I did change the CMC and the master cylinder K-tune because the clutch went out, and I did try to fix every single issue since I was dealing with it. And I mean, the car behaved amazingly. Ended up putting 200 blue wheels, 170 torque, and I mean, couldn't be happier with it, because coming out of from a B platform, which is V20, I had a V20 V16 cylinder head. I mean, Civic was putting 220, and for the RSX, put 200 to the wheel just with simple bolt-ons. Heck, I mean, do the math. And still some room to improve. I was talking to a buddy of mine to see which road I'm gonna be taking, if I'm gonna boost it or keep it NA. I don't know yet, but yes, I'm gonna start messing with the car shortly, and I feel happy how the car's looking from the outside and interior. Like I said, from day one, I've been trying to make a Type R replica out of that RSX, and I mean, it's looking good. I feel comfortable with it right now. I'll do a walk around shortly and share with you guys all the progress that I've made with the car so far. And yeah, it's time to start messing with the engine. Like I said, huge shout out to Kayla. She was the one that organized all of the dyno day. Got a chance to meet some of the guys they've driven ATL, so it was fun. Couldn't stay longer because I had some things to do with honey-do list. And I mean, if you have any questions, leave them on the comment down below. Do the good thing like you know how to do. Hit the like button, like I said, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit, guys. Thank you so much for watching.